Wait for a second and look at everything small on this page that isn't text. Like that like button, that play button, that add to playlist button, or that magnifying glass above my head. All of them are icons, small graphical elements. Icons on YouTube are SVGs, but we are here to talk about something closely related to them: font icons. So, what are font icons? Font icons are graphical elements which are stored in font files and they behave like text. Actually, they are just text. As things go, font icons are super easy to use. They are highly customizable, CSS compatible, lightweight, they are immune to distortion by scaling, and there are lots of icon libraries to choose from, like Font Awesome, Material Icons, and many more, each containing hundreds of unique icons. So, let's learn how to use them. Using font icons is pretty easy. All we need to do is to add style sheet to our page from Icon Vendor. Here we'll use Font Awesome and Material Icons for demonstration. After adding style sheet, we go to the body element and create a span element and add class fab fa minus the name of icon to it. And tada, we get an icon. In this way, we can add a lot of icons by changing class for each element. Now, it's time for material icons, which are by the way from Google. To use them, we'll add material icon style sheet to the head section. Then we'll come back to the body section and we'll create a span element with class material icons and add some icon text inside it. And voila, we get the icon. You might have noticed each icon library uses a slightly different method of adding icons. You can get to know more about them by reading, and we have added the useful links in the description box below. In this video you learned what are font icons and why you should be using them, that font icons are CSS compatible and you can do weird stuff with them, how to use font icons, specifically Font Awesome and Material Icons, and there are a lot of icon libraries to choose from. Hoping you'll use this knowledge somewhere. We'll see you guys next time. If you find something interesting, don't forget to let us know in the comments below.